Hey friends, if you encounter Windows upgrade error 0x800700B7, 0x2000A, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve the problem if possible. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update device drivers. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, select Advanced Options, select Optional Updates, and then install the optional updates. And finally, clean boot your system. Now I'll tell you how this is done. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the service is checked, click on Disable or Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.